Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the turn signal. We're talking about front, rear, left, right turn signal, fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So there could be very limited, there is very limited information about the turn signal, fuses and relays. We'll need to check multiple fuses. Some of those we're going to cover guys today are for headlights, tail lights. We need to check those. Relay, we'll talk about that as well guys. It could be quite confusing. So let's go ahead and explain what you need to check. But quick advice guys, most owners do not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. We need to first guys, by the way, first we need to open the driver door. And here on the driver's side, you see on the driver's side right here, that's the headlight switch. Let's get a closer look at it. That's the headlight switch. Underneath we have the storage compartment. Open it all the way, and underneath guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Now guys, here we'll talk about some fuses, but for turn signal relay, some people say that the relay is actually located above that fuse box. We personally couldn't locate any on specific years, but around that fuse box under the dash. Now guys, another thing, the relay part could be controlled by the BCM, the body control module. In that case, if you check fuses, everything's good, you may need to actually reset the BCM with an engine, with a scanner that can access the BCM, the body control module, and we'll recommend to check the fuses and the relays for the BCM. But before we continue with the fuses, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, you pull the fuse. I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So guys, here what we need to check specifically, you may have all of them or some of these fuses depending on the year and model and all that stuff, but if we zoom in a little bit, fuse numbers here do not make any sense at all, but look at it guys, the other way. Now you may have fuse number 13, which will be right here, and some of you may have fuse number 93, which is here as well. If you don't, open the hood guys, even if you do, you still need to open the hood and check a few more fuses here facing the engine. By the way, on that multi-air 2.4 liter engine, we have more than 200 free repair videos that will teach you how to fix almost anything guys. Check it out, it will be on this YouTube channel. On the right side of the engine, that's the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, leave the cover up, and you're going to find that fuse box here. Here we need to check guys now fuse number. Let's talk about that now. fuse number 14. You see that double micro 3-blade fuse? Okay, that one here. By the way, keep some spare ones of those because they're hard to find. Then we need to locate fuse number 77. That's a double micro 3-blade fuse as well. And then we need to locate fuse number 88. 88 will be this fuse right here. These are the main fuses and relays, okay, that practically we will need to check on Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.